The do's and don'ts of seashell collecting and how to respect the environment and the local laws. Seashell collecting can be a fun and fascinating hobby, but it's important to practice responsible and sustainable collecting habits. Here are some do's and don'ts to keep in mind to ensure that you're respecting the environment and the local laws. Collect seashells that are already dead and empty. Do not take live shells or disturb animals that may be living inside. Research the local laws and regulations regarding seashell collecting in the area where you're visiting. Some beaches may have restrictions on the number or type of seashells that can be collected, or may prohibit collecting altogether in certain areas to protect the ecosystem. Take only what you need and leave plenty for others to enjoy. It's important to preserve the natural beauty and balance of the beach ecosystem. Clean and dry your collected shells before taking them home to avoid spreading any bacteria or parasites that may harm other environments or animals. Don't take seashells that are part of a living ecosystem, including rocks, coral, or other natural elements. This can disrupt the balance of the ecosystem and harm the animals that depend on these elements for survival. Don't take large quantities of seashells. This can lead to depletion of the beach's natural resources and have a negative impact on the environment. Don't leave any trash or litter behind. Always dispose of any trash properly and help keep the beach clean and beautiful. By following these do's and don'ts of seashell collecting, you can enjoy this hobby while preserving the beauty and health of the beach ecosystem for future generations. Thanks for watching.